Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. In this lesson, we will be see another one scenario of Apex trigger in Salesforce. The Apex trigger scenario is whenever opportunity is deleted, then the correspondence account and contact should be automatically deleted. Follow these steps to create new Apex trigger in Salesforce. First, log in on Salesforce Developer Org. Then open Developer Console and create an Apex trigger file on opportunity object. Then create trigger handler class. Here, after delete record, we will be deleting corresponding account and contact of opportunity using Apex trigger in Salesforce. This is a screenshot of opportunity detail page in Salesforce. This is the name of the object. There is a button delete. If you click on the down arrow button, you will be get delete option. Whenever we delete the record of opportunity, this opportunity is associated with this account. So this is a screenshot of associated account. So here, if I deleting this opportunity record, the associated account and contact will be automatically deleted through Apex trigger in Salesforce. So as per this scenario, if deleting this record of opportunity, this record of opportunity is associated with take W3 Web 10. The opportunity name is Vijay KR16. Vijay KR16 associated with take W3 Web 10. If I am opening the take W3 Web 10 record, this is a record, take W3 Web. This account associated this contact. This is a related opportunity. So whenever I deleting this record of opportunity, this account and associate this account of contact will be automatically deleted. So friends, now let me jump to my Salesforce org where we will be see live demo example and we will be achieved through Apex class trigger in Salesforce. So let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce potential org. First, go to developer console. From here, open developer console so that we can create Apex class trigger in Salesforce. I already opened my developer console here. In the developer console, I created two files. First file is opportunity trigger. Second file is opportunity trigger handler. So as per the best practice in Salesforce, don't write business logic directly inside the trigger. Always create trigger handler. Inside the trigger handler, we will be create a method. That method we will be applied inside the opportunity trigger. So friends, before writing a method, let me explain the lab demo scenario in Salesforce. This is my Salesforce org. Here I am opening one of record of opportunity. Let me open Vijay KR16. There is an option, click down arrow button. There is an option delete. So as per the scenario, if I deleting this record of opportunity, opportunity record name is Vijay KR16. If I deleting this record of opportunity, the associated account, this is a associated account, take W3 Web 10. So this account and account related contact will be automatically deleted. So let me open this account, associate this opportunity record. I opening account, go to the related list of tab. Here you will be get related contact. So this opportunity associate this account associate as one contact, take W3 Web 12. So as per the scenario, if I deleting the opportunity, associated account and account associate contact will be automatically deleted. This scenario we will be achieving through Apex trigger in Salesforce. Now let me go back on the Apex trigger. This is developer console. So first I will be write a helper method. That helper method we will be called inside the opportunity trigger. So let's create a first method, public static void, write the name of the method of helper, opportunity delete helper. This is the name of the method, opportunity delete helper, bracket and curly bracket. Inside the bracket, I am passing list of opportunity. Now the name of the parameter, OPP list. Here, I am creating map, ID and opportunity. Now the name of the map, OPP map equal to new. So here I am creating instance map of opportunity and ID. Then here I am applying for loop. Inside the for loop, I am passing opportunity, name of the variable, OPP colon. Here I am passing list of opportunity, this parameter. And here I will be put the value inside the map. So I created a map, ID and opportunity. So here I am putting the value inside the map, ID and opportunity. So OPP, this is opportunity map, OPP map dot put value will be ID and opportunity. So ID will be put account ID and opportunity will be passed list of opportunity. OPP dot account ID. Common pass the OPP. This is a represent as a list of opportunity. After for loop, I will create list of account, ACC, OBJ item equal to new. I am creating list of account instance. Then I will be write a SQL query, list of account, ACC, OBJ list equal to, here I am writing SQL query on account object, select ID, name, phone, industry, type from account, where ID in colon, here I am passing ID of map. So I am putting value inside the map, account ID and list of opportunity. So I will be get ID from map, OPP map dot keyset. After that, I will be apply for loop. So here I am writing for loop. For loop, I will be use account object, ACC colon. Here I am passing account of object list. Inside the for loop, I will be add a value inside this account item. So here I created list of account instance, copy the account object item dot add. Here I am adding ACC, this list of account. Here I am adding list of account that is getting from opportunity account ID. So here I am writing SQL query and fetching list of account based on this opportunity related account. So here I am passing ID in opportunity dot keyset. This is a account ID. So here I am passing related list of account inside the account object item. After that, I will be check condition if this account object item not empty and the size is greater than 0. So copy the account object item not, this is represented as not if not empty. So this account object item is empty and this object item, account object item dot size greater than 0. That means if this account object item not is empty and greater than size equal to 0, then we will be delete list of related account. Then we will be delete list of related account from opportunity. So here I am deleting list of this related account. In this account object item, I am adding related list of account. So before deleting, I am checking this account object item not empty and size greater than 0. Then here I will be delete related list of account. Delete this added of account, this added of related list of account. So here I am deleting delete this account object item. Now I am saving the file. File has been saved successfully. So friends, here I write a Apex class trigger method. This method we will be called inside the opportunity trigger. So now let me jump to the opportunity trigger. This is a trigger and here I am passing before delete and after delete. Because as per the scenario, whenever this opportunity deleted, then associated account and account associated contact will be deleted. So here I am passing before delete and after delete in action event. First I will write if condition trigger is before, else if trigger is after. So here I am writing two action event, trigger is before and trigger is after. So this trigger will be execute after trigger because after deleting the opportunity we will be delete related list of account and contact. So this trigger will be execute inside the after event. So if I writing a Apex class trigger and handler, first we will be call Apex class controller, then helper. So inside the after trigger, I will be add a context variable. Trigger is deleted. So friends, before calling a method of helper, we will be use trigger context variable. So we will be check if trigger context variable deleted is execute, then this method we will be call. So here inside the after trigger, I will be use trigger context variable is delete. If trigger is delete, here I will be call controller dot method name. So my controller name is opportunity trigger handler. Copy the name of the controller and paste here dot write the name of the helper. So my helper method name is opportunity trigger helper. This one. Copy and pass here. Then bracket. As you can see inside the helper method, I am passing list of opportunity as a parameter. So instead of this parameter, I will be pass trigger.old because trigger.old retrieve list of the old session of record ID. So here I am deleting existing record related of the opportunity. So here we will be pass trigger.old trigger.old. So instead of this parameter list of opportunity, here I am passing trigger.old because it retrieve list of old session of record ID. Because I am deleting existing record related to the opportunity record. So here I am passing trigger.old. Now save the Apex Trigger file. File has been saved successfully. Now let me go to the opportunity record. This is the opportunity object. Now open one of the opportunity record. So now let me delete one record. As per the scenario, if deleting one record of opportunity, the associated account and account with associated contact will be automatically deleted. So I open one record, that is a Vijay KR16. This is a opportunity record. There is a button. Click on the down arrow button. There is an option delete. So if I deleting this record, so first let me open the related list of accounts. This is a related list of account. Open here. I open Take W3 Web 10. This is a account and this is a related. Go to the related. There is a contact. The contact name is Take W3 Web 12. So now let me open two record. First record is account. The second record is contact. Both are associated to this opportunity. So now I am deleting the opportunity record. So the name of the opportunity record is Vijay KR16. This is a associate account. Take W3 Web 10. That is already open next time here. And if you go to the related, there is a contact. Take W3 Web 12. That is already open here. Now I am deleting the record of opportunity. After deleting the opportunity record, this account and this contact will be automatically deleted. Now let me delete it. Click here, down arrow button. There is an option delete. Now let me click here. Delete opportunity. Are you sure you want to delete this opportunity? Yes, I am deleting this record. Delete. Record has been deleted. Now this is a account. So now let me refresh this associated account. You can see record has been deleted. This is a associated contact. Take W3 Web 10. Now let me refresh. This record also deleted. So as per the scenario, if I deleting opportunity record, associated account and account associated contact will be automatically deleted. So this scenario I have achieved through Apex Trigger in Salesforce. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting anything of issue, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search Take W3 Web, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.